होप यू ऑल मस्ट बी फाइन। तो मेरे क्लास 5 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट फॉर मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड। ओके, एंड as you know, in our last class we have discussed some questions of the chapter large numbers. If you have not watched that video, you can go to the playlist and check it out. Okay, so in our today's class we are going to discuss some more question about large numbers. So shall we start now? Let's start it. What is the question? This is a number, this is another number. Identify the missing symbol. That means we have to compare these two values. Okay, so the number first we will do one thing. We will check what digit number is this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is a 8 digit number. 1 minute bachcho, let me change the color of the pen. So this is 8 digit number. Okay, and here 2 2 4 2 6 3 9. This is 9 digit number. So if we compare a 8 digit number with a 9 digit number, then what will be the symbol? Of course 9 digit number will be greater than 8 digit number. So here the correct answer is less than, because 8 digit number is written first. Okay, so we will use the symbol that is less than. Easy question tha. Okay, let's move to the next question. Number 2. What is the missing number digit in 3-6013 if 3-6013 is equal to this much? Okay, so it is the expanded form. The expanded form of the number we know, so we can easily find out the number. Okay, what are the number? In ones place it is 3, in tens place what we will do, we need to add these things. Okay, 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 0, then in 7 4 zeros, then in 6 3 zeros, then 0, then 10, then 3. If we add this 3, 1's place 3, 10 place 1, 100 place 0, 1000 place 6, 10,000 place 7, then comes the number 3. So the number is 3,76,013. Okay, so it is the number which should be present in that blank. So what is that number? That number is 7. Okay, get it? Then next question. In this number, how many times the value of 8 is the 8 in the tens place is the value of 8 in the 10,000 place? Okay, so let's write the number 1894885. What is asked? Value of 8 in tens place. Value of 8 in tens place. You can see there is an 8 present in tens place. What will be its value? It will be 80. Okay, and 8 in 10,000 place. 8 in 10,000 place. Okay, so value of 8 in 10,000 place, it will be 80,000. So it is asked how many times is 80,000 of 80. Okay, how will you find out? Here 1088, both numbers are same. 10 is present, here 4 zeros are present. So what we have to do? 40 minus 10, that is 30. Okay, 1000 times means you can cancel this 0 with this 0, and you cancel 8 with 8, and you will get 1000. Okay, here 1 is present and 30 1000 times. Or the simplest thing that you can do without writing the number also, 8 in tens place, 8 in 10,000 place. 10,000 each, how much of 10? It is the easiest way. 10,000 each, how much of 10? Of course 10,000 is 1000 times of 10. Okay, so the correct answer is option C, that is 1000. Okay, next, identify the smallest 7-digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, smallest 7 digit number. For writing smallest number, what we do, we write 1, then we will put the number of zeros to make up that number. Okay, so yes, it is correct. 1 plus greatest 1 plus greatest 6 digit number. Okay, 1 plus greatest 6 digit number. So greatest 6 digit number is 999999 plus 1. So it will be 10000000. It is also smallest 7 digit number. Okay, next, both A and B. Of course, both these options are correct. So our correct answer is option C, both A and B. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the difference between the place value and face values of 5 in this number? So in this number, 5 is present in, this is 1, 10, 100, 1000. 5 is present in 1000 place. Okay, so the place value of 5, that is equal to 5000. 5 into 1000, that is equal to 5000. And the face value of 5, what will be it? It is 5. We have asked the difference. So 5994, difference is 4995, and the answer is present in option A, that is 4995. ओके बच्चों, इजी है ना, मजा आ रहा है क्वेश्चन में. चलो, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टडी द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन. 800 इंटू 650 माइनस डैश इंटू डैश, ये नंबर कैसे निकलेगा? ओके, ये नंबर जो है, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मिसिंग नंबर्स? आई थिंक इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. 792 into this much. I am writing the question again. 792 into 650 is equal to 800 into 650 minus dash into dash. Okay, this is the our question. Okay, so here 650 is present, here also 650 present, but here what is present we don't know. Here 792, here 800. So this is a method. See, 792 into 650, here 800 into 650. Okay, so here 650 should be present. Here 650, here 650, here 650 should be present. 792 is equal to 800 minus 8. Okay, so 7092 into 650 will be 800 minus 8 into 650, that is equal to 800 minus 8 into 650. We can write it as 800 into 650. Okay, when we open the bracket, we do these things. 800 and minus 8 is present in bracket into 650. So 800 into 650 minus 8 into 650. Okay, so 792 into 650 equal to this much. So 800 into 650 is present, 8 into 650 is there. Okay, 8 into 650 is there. Understood? ऐसे होता है. These are the methods. So we don't need to find out the fill in the blanks. We don't need to do this filling the blanks. Okay, 8 into 650 we don't need to find out. What we need to find out, what is the value of the product of the missing numbers? Means 8 into 650 का प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? 650 into 8, that is equal to 52, 5200. So it is our correct answer, option C, 5200. Okay बच्चों, you got it? You need to focus on this point. Okay, how we get this and how we open the bracket. Okay, I think I should give you another example, an easy example to learn you. 48 into 10 equal to how much? So we can write 48 to 50 minus 2. We can write 48 as 50 minus 2 into 10. That is equal to, when we open the bracket, that is equal to 50 into 10 minus 2 into 10. Okay, 50 into 10 minus 2 into 10. We can write 48 into 10 like this. Okay, let me explain you with some more example. 52 into 10, that is equal to, 52 can be written as 50 plus 2 into 10. So when we open the bracket, 50 into 10, here plus is present, so we have to write plus here, plus 2 into 10. So 52 into 10 can be written as 50 into 10 plus 2 into 10. Likewise, 792 can be written as 800 minus 8. So when we open the bracket, this is our result. Okay, bachcho? Got it? Next, what is the difference between the smallest 6-digit odd number and the largest 4-digit even number? Smallest 6-digit number is 100000. What is this? This is the smallest 6-digit number. But we don't need smallest 6-digit number. What do we need? We need 6-digit odd number. So we will write 1 here. You know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If they are present in ones place, then the number will be odd number. Okay. So this is our smallest 6-digit odd number. The largest 4-digit even number. What is the largest 4-digit number? Our largest 4-digit number is 9999. It is the largest 4-digit number, but we don't need it. What we need? We need the largest 4-digit even number, that is 8. Okay, 9998. Because if 9 is written here, then it will be odd number. Okay, it will not be even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers are present in ones place, then the number will be even number. Okay. Next, what we have to do, we have to find the difference. So this number minus 9998. Okay, now you pause the video, calculate of your own, then check your result with my result. Okay, 0, then 1, sorry, 0, then 0, 0, 9. 90003. Okay, so is this answer present? 90,003. Yes, it is present. Where it is present? It is present in option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. For which digit is the place value and face value always the same? Oh, it is very easy question. For which digit place value and face value is always same? It is for 0. Always 0 is the only number in which both the values are always same. Okay. Next, find the numeral for 60,066,000. Okay. First we have to write ones, then 10, then 100, 1000, 10,000, then comes 100,000. Okay, then comes million. Okay, it is the international value number system. What we have to write? 60 million. In this million place we have to write 60. And 66 means here 66. And what we have to do next? We have to fill up all these values, all these places with 0. Okay, so this 60, 3 zeros, 066. Where is it? It is present in option B. Okay, easy question tha. Chalo, let's move to the next question. Number 10. Which of the following numbers has the greatest value of digit 5? Okay, here in option A 5 is present in 100 place. So 500. Here 5 is present in 1000 place. So 5000. Here 5 is present in tens place. So 50. here 5 is present in 50,000 place, 10,000 place. Okay, present in 10,000 place, so value will be 50,000. So which is the greatest value? Of course 50,000 is the greatest value. Okay, next question is the digits 6, 0, 3, 7, 9 are arranged to form the greatest possible 6-digit odd number. Find the difference in the values of the 2-digit 6. So to find the greatest number, what we do, we arrange all the digits in descending order. Okay, so what will be the number? 9. Let me change the color of the pen. So 97630. Okay, so it is a 5-digit number, but we need a 6-digit number. To get a 6-digit number using 5 digits, what we have to do, we have to repeat a number. So we should repeat the largest number, but here already given that find the values of 2-digit 6, means we have to repeat 6 here, not 9. Okay, so what will be the number? 976630. It should be the greatest possible 6-digit number using the digits. But once again, what is the problem? We need odd number. But if 0 is present, it is no more an odd number, it will be even number. Simply we will find out the smallest odd number present over here. What is that? Smallest odd number between 9733 is the smallest odd number. We simply need to change the position. 976603. Okay, so next what we have to do, find the difference in the values of the 2-digit 6. Here 6 is present in which number? 1 tens 100. 1 6 present in 100, another 6 is present in 1000. So the number the 6 which is present in 1000 number, its place value is 6000, and the 6 present in 100, its place value is 600. We have to find the difference, that is 5400. Okay, easy question. 5400 is present in our option? Yes, it is present in option A. Okay बच्चों, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is equal to 75 into 100? 75 into 20 into 5, 70 plus 5 into 100, 75 into 10 plus 90, 75 plus into 20 plus 75 into 5. Okay, how to find out? See, 75 into 100. So you do one thing, we will find out from the options. 75 into 20 into 5, that is equal to 75 into 20 into 5, how much? That is equal to 100. So option A is our correct option. Okay, but we will check the other options too. Why? Because you will learn something from these options also. What? 70 plus 5 into 100. So students, do you know about Badmash rule? That is not about Badmashi. This is Badmash rule. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication. Here I think my photo will come, so I am writing here. Then A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay, so this is the order. If we find more than one type of signs, more than one type of plus, minus, into, division, whatever, so we have to follow these steps. First we should attend the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here plus and into is there, into are there. Okay, addition and multiplication. First multiplication, so that means 70 plus 5 into 100, that is equal to 70 plus 500. It means 70 plus 500. Okay, next 75 into 10 plus 90. So 70, here multiplication, here addition. We should do multiplication first, that is equal to 75 into 10. We have to calculate first, that is equal to 750 plus 90. Its meaning is this. Next, 75 into 20 plus 75 into 5. So here 75, if we take it common, 75 into, if we take it common, what will remain? 20. Here plus sign in between them, then 5. That is equal to 75 into 25. So 75 into 100 is present only in option A. These are not the correct option, but I told about them because you will learn something from these options. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. What is our question number 13? Find the value of 100, 10,000, 65,000, 50 hundreds, 2 ones. Okay, 100, 10,000. So 1, 10, 100. Okay, 1,000. In 10,000 place, after 1,000, 10,000 comes. In 10,000 place, we have to write 100. Okay, then 65,000, then 50 hundred. 50 hundred means ones place, tens place. Now comes 100 place. In 100 place we have to write 50, that is 5,000 plus ones. Okay, next, so we have to add them. So we have to add them 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Then 65,000, 65,000, then 5,000, then 2. If we add it, 2 0 0, here 0 7 0 1. Okay, 1 0 7 0. Here comma to be put after 10 according to our Indian system. Okay, so 10 comma 70 comma 002 is the option is present. 10 comma 70 comma 002, yes, it is present in option B. Okay बच्चों, got it? Easy question है, interesting. Okay, let's next move to the next question. For how many hundreds does the digit 9 stands in the product of 255 and 37? Okay, we have to find out the product of 255 and 37. So बच्चों, you have to pause the video here, you have to calculate of your own, then you will do just only one thing, you have to match your answer with my answers. Okay, chalo, starts. 7 5 5 3 8 17. 7 5 3 4 9 9 4 3 5. What is question about? Does the digit 9 stands? Okay, in how many hundreds? Okay, 9 is present in 1000 place. Okay, it is asking how many hundred. In 9435, 5 is present in 1 place, 3 in tens place, in 100 place 4. But it is asking in how many hundred place. Okay, so it is present in 9 place, that is 9,000. Okay, in 9,000 place. So in 9,000, how many hundreds are there? In 9,000, how many hundreds are there? 90 hundreds are there. It is asked 9 digit stands with how many hundreds? Okay, so 90 hundreds. So the correct option is option B. If it is asked the value of 9, place value of 9, you will write 9,000. But how many hundred? You will say 90 hundreds. Okay बच्चों, let's move to the next question, next and last question of this video. What is, okay, the question is, what is the largest possible whole number which results in 2,23,000 when a number is rounded up to the nearest thousand? Okay, so what is the number we have? We have 2,23,000. Okay, what we need to do? What is the largest possible whole number which comes here? Okay, so for a number, if 2,23,499 up to this number. Okay, starting from 2,22,500 to 2,23,499. If a number is rounded off to the nearest thousand, then it will be 2,23,000. Okay, if a number is greater than 2,23,500, greater than equal to, if a number is 2,23,500 or greater than it, then its value to the nearest thousand will be 2,24,000. Okay, so for this the value should be ranging this value. Whatever value comes under this, they will be categorized at 2,23,000 as the nearest thousand. Okay, so among these numbers, which number is present here? Here the number is present is 2,23,499. Okay, let's do another thing also. If we have 2,23,499 less than 23,500, okay, it is less than 2,23,500. okay, so nearest so the nearest thousand value is 2,23,000. okay, in option B 2,23,001, so it is nearly equal to 2,23,000. okay, next 2,23,500, it will be 2,24,000. okay, what we are doing, we are rounding up to the nearest thousand. Next option 2,23,100, it will be 2,23,000 as it is less than 2,23,499. okay, so our correct option is option A, that is 2,23,499. okay बच्चों, so this much in today's video. Let's meet to in our next video with some much more amazing questions. Till then mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. okay, bye.